not a big concept, very easy, only based on tables. I am just going to read only the questions. Write the first 8 multiples of 7 means you are going to take the 7 table. I have done in the rough work. You are going to take the 7 table, students. 7 ones are 7. Starting from 1 to 8, you are going to multiply the value with the table 7. So 7 ones are 7 to 7 eights are 56. I will be calculating. And whatever answer I am going to get here, those answers I am going to write here. That is, the first 8 multiples of 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49 and 56. And those are the answers we are getting in 7 table. Coming to the second question, write the first 10 multiples of 5 means 5 table. 5 ones are 5 to 5 tens are 50. Those values you are going to write. And similarly, third question, write the first 6 multiple of 11 means 11 ones are 11 to 11 six are 66. And the answers we are going to write it here. Before starting with sum number 3 and 4, we are going to see the concept of prime, composite and co-prime. So what is the meaning of prime? First we will see the example. If I am going to take a number 2 means I must get the answer 2 when I am multiplying. So 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2. Similarly, if you are going to take the number 3 means if I multiply I should get the answer as 3 means 3 ones are 3. 1 threes are 3, except this I will not get the answer as 3. So if I want to get the answer as 3, 2, 3, 5 means while I am multiplying, only this is the possible concept. So if you see a 1 and the same number, 1 and itself and exactly 2 divisors, this is called as 2 divisors. So regarding prime number, a number which has exactly 2 divisors, that is 1 and itself the same number, is called a prime number, and that is the example I have given here, students. Composite number also the same concept will be repeated, but you will be having more than 2 divisors, and you have to be clear in this place. All the numbers are multiplied by 1 and itself, but the numbers which are multiplied by 1 and itself is known as prime number, and the numbers which are multiplied more than 1 and itself is called as composite number. So if I am going to take the number 4 means I should get the answer as 4 while I am multiplying means 4 ones are 4, 1 fours are 4, 2 twos are 4. Similarly 6, 6 ones are 6, 1 six are 6, 2 threes are 6, 3 twos are 6, and similarly 8. If you see all these concepts, in this place also the number is divided by 1 and itself, and other than that I am getting another divisor. So it is crossing more than 2 divisors. A number which has more than 2 divisors is called composite number. So that is the difference between prime and composite. Coming to co-prime. So what is the speciality of co-prime? Is there any co-prime means I am not going to take only the prime number, I will take any number, but the concept here is I will be comparing 2 natural numbers here, students. Be careful, I will be comparing 2 natural numbers are called co-prime numbers if they do not, understand the concept, if they do not have a common factor other than 1. They will not have any common factor except 1. For example, I am going to take 2 natural numbers, 2 numbers 3 and 8, and why they are telling it as natural numbers means you have to take only positive values. That is the meaning of natural numbers, and starting from 1. That is the concept they are telling here. I am going to take the number 3 and 8. 3 can be written as 3 into 1, and 8 I have to split it in the form of factors. 4 twos are also 8, but it should be a prime values, that is 2 into 2 into 1. Maximum you have to break that number. 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, maximum possible factors of 8 is this one. Now if you compare the factors, nothing is common except 1, no other number is common. So this particular combination 3 and 8 are called co-prime numbers. Why? I will be comparing 2 numbers, 3 and 8 are called co-prime. Why? Means only 1 is common to both and no other number is common to both the values. So using the concept of prime, composite and co-prime numbers, we are going to see the sum number 3, students. That is, write all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. You're going to write the numbers in an order from 1 to 50, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 till 50. I'm going to write all the numbers here, students. And in that I'm going to check all the values, and whatever values I have circled here is called as a prime number, because it is the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So the prime numbers between 1 and 50 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47 are those numbers which are known as the prime numbers between 1 and 50. And the speciality of 1 is, while I am talking about prime and composite, the number 1 is known as both prime and composite number. So be careful in that place. The next one is, they are asking you to find the co-prime pairs, that is, make a pair of co-prime numbers from 15, 21, 28, 16 and 11. I am going to take 15, 21, 28, 16 and 11. I am going to find the factors. What I am doing here is, I am splitting the numbers as much as possible. You are going to split the numbers in the form of factors. Even this 21 can be written as 7, 28. 7 4s are 28 is also correct, but that 4 is also splitted as 2 into 2. And if you check here, all the numbers are co-prime. I'll be splitting in the form of prime numbers. So you will not have any composite number. You have to be careful in this place. So how to form a co-prime number pair? Just take the number 15 first. 15 I am going to compare with 21. If you see, the number 3 is repeated, so I cannot pair. Then 15 I am going to compare with 28. Except 1, nothing is common. So 15 and 28, they will get matched. 15 and 16, check and see, nothing is common except 1. So 15 and 16. Similarly 15 and 11. Like that you will be checking. Once 15 is over, I will just remove this 15. Then I'll just close this one. And the next one is, I will be taking 21. 21 and 28, while I am comparing, 7 is common, so I will not match it. 21 and 16, while I am comparing, nothing is common other than 1. So 21 and 16 I will be writing here. 21 and 11, nothing is common, so 21 and 11 is a co-prime values. Once 21 is over, close this one, come to 28. 28 and 16, it is not a co-prime number since 2 is common to both. 28 and 11, co-prime, because other than 1, nothing is common. Coming to 16, 16 and 11, both are co-prime. So that is the concept of co-prime numbers. That is, we will be comparing the two numbers. Except 1, no other value should be common to both. Next, we are going to move on to rules for test of divisibility.